Take control of me, hit the vibes. Wanna be lit tonight. No lie.
Yeah guys, so this is the Nine River Hotel in Pong, Ratchaburi. Nice, kind of have a classy feel to it, very modern. Definitely very modern. Lights. Yeah, so this is the room. It's kind of small, it's very small but clean. Very small but it's clean, nice. Inside smell good. Nice bed too, nice queen size bed. You have a chair if you're somebody who, you know, you do content or you just work, whatever. You have your chairs. You have your gown for you and your person. Nice TV. A mirror. You know, your water as always, your coffee. Slippers. Yeah, let's go check out this view right here. Yeah, nice view too, man. Don't get too close to the edge. Nice view, but don't get close to the edge, man. Yeah. So this is one of the I'm going to give you guys a little secret. So whenever you come here and you want to do a visa extension, like 30-day extension or 90-day extension, and you need something called a TM30. So that's basically something you get as a foreigner, like, you know, just so immigration can track you and your whereabouts and whatever. So usually when you go to a hotel or, you know, you have a landlord, but they have to be like register, you know, register in the system or whatever, in order for them to have, you know, in order for them to give you a TM30. So this hotel, they have access to that. So you come for like a day, and then you book your hotel, and when you leave the next day you can get your TM30. But you have to make sure they register, like a registered hotel or housing company or whatever, apartment condo, whatever. But I always ask them if they have TM30 because that is very important in order for you to get your 30-day extension or your 90-day extension. Well, yeah guys, it's just a little quick preview of this hotel. Like I said, Nine River Hotel. If you're in Pong, Ratchaburi and you want a nice place to stay, definitely come here. Yeah, and the price for this room was like 1,200. That's maybe like 50 baht, 50, I think 50 bucks or whatever, 50 bucks, maybe 30 something pounds, maybe like 40, maybe like I would say like 40 USD. And for me, I'm Canadian, so it's a little bit more expensive. But yeah, man, I definitely like this, man. This is a place you definitely should check out. So I'm gonna try to see if they have a pool, and I'm gonna do like a little short video showing you guys the pool. And yeah, that's about it, man. So see you guys in the next video. Yeah, this is the washroom. It's a very nice washroom too, man. Very nice. Like, I like this place. For like a hotel like this to be like in Pong is like a rare find, you know. It's like a gem, because usually you have nice hotels in Pong, like, don't get me wrong, but usually Pong is more on like the what I would say more on like the chill side, like, you know, like the countryside. So you won't really see like a extravagant hotel and all them stuff. But so far you have some nice ones, like this one. The river view is definitely nice, man. You have your safe, you can put your stuff, secure your stuff. You also have a little fridge underneath here, small little fridge. like I say, 1200 baht. Nice little place for the night. If you want breakfast, you can add like an extra 200. You get your breakfast and do your thing. Yeah, man, I'm definitely gonna get the hallway and see if they have a. Wow. What is this? Restaurant? I think they have the breakfast here. This is where they have the breakfast. Nice. That's where they have the breakfast, guys. Sorry. This is your breakfast room, guys. Very stylish, very elegant. Very nice. Get active in the morning. Yeah. So I'm gonna go check out the pool just now. See what's going on with this pool. Nice. Nice little setup. Can come here and snack on something or drink. Whatever you feel like. This is the whole pool here. Real nice. I like this, man. Really cool. Small pool, but it's okay. You have your seats in the pool too. You can sit down, chill in the pool. This is tough. I like this. This is nice. This is definitely nice, man. Wow. What they did, is that like a restaurant or something? Not bad. I think the rich people. I think the rich people let me come to these places,
But one day I'm gonna hotel. I'm gonna go to work and keep money to stay here.
Yeah, man. This place is a go, man. Trust me, if you're ever in Pong Ratchaburi and you want to stay somewhere, this place, Nine River Hotel. Definitely give this place a check, man. You won't regret it. You won't regret it one bit. There's a parking.